Welcome back. I'd like to tell you about a pretty interesting and fun event we've got for 2023. We are now the title sponsor for the Northwest Classic Challenge. This is an event that has been hosted for years by the Alfa Romeo Owners Club of Oregon. It's typically a show that anywhere between 70 and 90 cars, so it's a pretty good sized group and a lot of fun. It has two elements, a full time distance rally or a tour challenge, which is just good fun. This is a social event. It's a lot of fun. It starts in Portland and quickly motors down and spends the weekend in Eugene on some awesome roads here in the Willamette Valley. We'd love to have you. It's a lot of fun. Go to the northwestclassicrally.org and sign up, or call anyone here at Vintage Underground and we can help you. Love to have you.